Let's assume that as I am now, I met a girl, let's say maybe at the airport, and we chatted, we spoke, we connected where the vibe was on point. I'm like, wow, I like this girl. Then we exchanged number, and I didn't know where she was going to. Then the next thing she says to me that, oh, she's going to, let's say, Lagos. Then I'm like, okay, wow. That's what she said to me at the airport. Me, I was going to, let's say, Enugu. Then, like, that's it. Then we started chatting. Only for me to find out that she has an uncle in Lagos. So she went to do holiday there with the uncle. That's what she told me. Then me now seeing that, this girl's vibe is making sense. So I don't like long-distance relationship. I've told her, she now says she doesn't like long-distance relationship. We're connecting, it is making sense. Now, for me as a guy, remember, I am ready to marry. And I'm like, this girl is meeting my vibe. I decided to go to Lagos because of her. Why? I have a house in Lagos. Then I arrive at Lagos. And now, don't forget, I came because I want to see this girl. Then I book appointments, find a way to see her. Maybe I invite her to my house. Then she comes. Then I now see physically, she meets, maybe body-wise, many things she meets. Like she dey bust my brain. There's one song like, you dey bust my brain. Oh my baby, my anyway, she's busting my brain, right? Then we get to talk like 1 week, 2 weeks. Then the third week, and after that, okay, I'm going back to Abuja. Then it's like, okay. Then only for me to ask her, when is she coming back to Abuja? Because we met in Abuja and her parents in Abuja. Then she now tells me that, this uncle she came to visit is processing her moving to the UK. I'm like, you what? When I don't pull up, say I don't see babe when I go marry. You understand? And she's like, she likes me too. She would like to marry me too. Like, like we talk in that direction, like, this kind of talk. And I see that she's really serious, I'm serious. Everything is checking, you understand? Family background, everything is making sense. Then before we said, Jack Robinson, babe, don't go UK. Then before we know, this lady don't go UK. And now, no other girl is meeting her criteria, and the girl is busting my brain. I'm giving all these details so that any other person that falls in this category, you can pick your own from these details. I'm like, no. Because of this guy, I need to go UK. What's she going to UK to do? To do her master's. I'm away. Then I get my visa. Then I go to the UK to see this girl. Who am I going to meet? Who am I going to meet in the UK? The girl. Do I know anybody in the UK? Do I have anywhere I want to stay? Except I'll stay in a hotel, right? Then I spoke with this girl, everything. Then I decided, okay, I want to stay in a hotel. The girl like, oh, no, come to my place. Because I'm avoiding sex, I say, I want to stay in a hotel. Are you forgetting that she can come to the hotel and meet me? And we can still have sex? Do you understand? So there's no pretense here. Then I decide that I will stay in a house. To save money, I decide to stay in a house. I can also decide to stay in the hotel, though. That's why I said, don't forget that she can still come to the hotel and meet me, and we'll still have sex in the hotel. So staying in a house or staying in the hotel is not to avoid sex now. I repeat, she can come to the hotel and meet me and we'll still have sex. I can go to her house and we'll still have sex. Then I decided to stay in a house to cut short money. Why in a house? This is the first time we are now like close. Remember, we have discussed to the level of want to marry. I'm so serious, that's why I came. Then I now start observing some things. I'm not seeing something, this is good. In that scenario now, that's the kind of scenario you can say, I went to visit my boyfriend. I went to visit my girlfriend. Or, he quote, my fiancé or fiancée. Are you getting my point? That scenario now, you see it, is a dicey scenario, so you can create room for that. Oh, babe, we can have sex, right? You can argue with not having the sex, you can fight the sex, you can decide not to have sex, but we cannot deny the fact that in this 21st century, that there will be no hugging, there will be no cuddling, there will probably be no kissing. Yes, some of us still have the tenacity to still hold up, like, yes, some of us can still do that. But I'm just being explicit. In that situation, yes, that can happen. And you see, for some people, they will argue that you stayed in that house for 3 days and you didn't have sex. They will argue. Yeah, some people will not believe, they will argue. This guy fine girl, you stay with this fine girl 3 days. You, hot guy like this,